let's do this. Welcome, game developers, to Doug Teaches Ue5 mini tutorial. Wow, Mario 64 clone. Yes. Okay. Oh, right, I put a nav mesh. Well, you did record this and then it just decided to crap out. Yeah. Fucking. Oops. I mean, stupid screen recording software. So, today we're gonna make a Goomba. Let me go here. Let me delete that. Wait, that's the post sensor. There we go. Delete that. We're gonna make Goomba AI. How Goombas work is they basically move around in a random thing. Then when they see us, they hop up and then jump and then come after us. So we're gonna do exactly that. Now the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add pawn sense. Are you gonna use a behavior tree? Not really. I tend to. It's fine if we just hard code this AI because we can do it in the character blueprint. Under peripheral vision cone, excuse me, angle, instead of 90, you want to put it at 45, so that way it looks like, yeah, human 45, you can only see 90-degree angles. It's 45. Well, 45 for each eye. Ow. Whereas 90 degrees means you see everything. Okay. You have like omnidirectional spider sense nonsense. Okay. So we're going to add two things. Let me get rid of that too. Wait, where? You have a player reference? Hold on. Player ref. Oh, no, that's pref. Never mind. Okay. So we're gonna add two. We're gonna have a variable. We're gonna it's gonna be a bool. It's gonna say is seen. And we're gonna take our pawn sensing. Not now. And we're gonna see on see pawn. Now, there are ways we could do that. There are two ways we can do it. Well, technically speaking, three ways. We could either look for player character, have a reference to our player character, or just cast to it. I'm going to cast to it. I'm just going to say cast to Nario. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set... Well, let's have the AI move to it. So I'm just going to say AI move to. Why? Do we really need to? Not necessarily. I mean, like, we could just, like, I'm just gonna say self. We could, wait, what? No. Self. I got a reference to self. What the hell? Technically, well, we'll get the dumb stuff out of the way first. Okay. So, target actor, that's gonna be us as the pawn. And then, as far as the destination, we can get actor location. Now, if you want to, like, say, go to a specific component, like, say, the capsule component, because there's a difference between get actor location and get world location. Because you can see all of these components. It's like, which one? Box, the capsule component, mesh, which one? Now, I'm just going to use get actor location because it encompasses everything that actor has. On fail, I'm going to hit D for delta, left click, to do a delay. It's going to be 0.2 seconds. And on complete, we're just going to recheck. So what I want to do, the AI will just come to us. There. That's when it sees us? Yes. Whee. Can we outrun it? Well, let's just find out. Nope. It'll just come to us. Why is it so close? It's fine if it's that close. Really? Yeah. Well, okay, I'll just say 20. Because in the acceptable radius, the reason why I don't want to upgrade the radius that much is because we want it to eventually touch us, and when it touches us, we'll take damage. Oh, okay. So, yeah, it's touching us. Okay. From that angle, it looks like her knee is up my ass. Dude, make that the fucking thumbnail. I can't. The marketing guy's gonna be like, no, that's stupid. Now, we don't need that. Now, let's do something. What do you mean? By that I mean I'm gonna get rid of this. Get rid of that. I'm gonna unchain you. And then I'm going to do now. I'm going to move this out to here. I'm going to create a custom event. I'm going to say a custom event. I'm going to call this chase player. And it's going to ask if is seen is true. Why? Okay. Well, we'll get to that in just a second. For now, let's just get this up and running. And then on completed, it's going to do that. And we'll modify this later because we basically need it to go to random spots. Okay. Yeah. How will we do that? Well, let's have it go to a random spot now. How will we do that? Okay, so we create another custom event, and we'll just say wander around. On false, we'll just call this wander around. Wait, what? If is seen is false, it'll just wander around. Well, how? Wait. Something's not right. It's just that. Why? If this is activated when chase player, that means it has to see us first, right? Not necessarily. We have our event begin play. Okay. And we just call wander around. But won't it run once? Yes. An event begin play, it'll only run once. We'll have it so that way it runs every time. How? Well, we'll have another branch. We'll have is seen, branch it out. On false, on true, it'll do nothing. On false, the false bit is what we want. We can actually say, I think it's just move to location. Yeah, move to location. On controller, we can get controller. And then it's going to ask what kind of controller, who has this controller. We could leave this as self. It won't give us an error, but I'm just going to type in self anyway. Right, no real reason, just to be on the safe side. On goal, I'll just get random point in navigable radius. The origin will be our actor location. Get actor location. And then we'll plug that into our origin point. And our radius, doesn't matter. I'll just say something like, I don't know, I'll say 300. And then we'll delay this. And plug this into here. So let's see if it works. Pawn sense won't do. Will the pawn sense do anything? No, because it's just waiting for a command at this point. Okay. So let's try this play. What the fuck? Yeah, it's just wandering around. Can we how do we fix that? Well, okay, if you don't want it to like keep moving that much, we can have its we just go to its delay. And just say something like, I don't know, a second. So then it'll just wander around, it'll go to its target, and then wait for a second before going again. See? Why is it so sticky like that? Why isn't she running? Who cares at this point? I'm done trying to figure that fucking thing out. I mean, like, it's not the end of the world. They could just literally reference the first tutorial and, like, make another character. Alright. Now that that's said and done, we have to do something when we see us. So now the first thing it does is now the first thing a Goomba does when it sees us, it jumps at us and then goes after us. So that being said, we need to jump. So we're gonna need it to jump. So first things first, how do we do that? We can literally just type in jump. Ow. Okay. Now, I think I already modified this first time I was, jump. Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, you set it to 200. I didn't want it to be 700. I'll do 250 for max jump. Okay. And then, once it sees us, we want to say, is seen. We want to set that thing to true. Let's get rid of that. And we want to chase player. Now I'm going to double click this to go to the thing. Because we're going to need an AND boolean. Why? Okay. So here's why. Because it'll come at first off, it'll come at us. Hey, you're gonna come at what? Oh, right. All right. You don't have yeah. Okay, so that's my B. Under target actor, we want to get player character because it doesn't know where the hell it's going. And then from there, we want to get actor location. So plug that in. And then we play. Oh, she's not jumping. Who cares? It's fine. Well, she is, and she jumped, and then we just didn't see because the jump height is so low. So we want to make sure falling is set to false. Okay. So we're gonna need an AND boolean. We want this character to hop. You know what? All right. Let's upgrade the jump height. What are we gonna upgrade it to? Let's just say 600. Okay. So now we need an AND boolean. I'm gonna take this out as not bool, and I'm just going to say falling. Yeah, character movement falling. So if we're not falling, this will run. Both conditions need to be met in order for this thing to run true. Okay. So now what we do is we compile. So we're forcing her to jump, and she jumped. No, she didn't. Didn't there jump? Where is the... Yeah, it's just this. Duplicate it. Huh. Did she see us? Yeah, she's seeing us, but she is not jumping. Why? I don't know. You want to try launching the character? Yeah, let's just launch the character then. Launch character. And we're just going to launch her up. Let's say 500. Just fuck it. Hey! She didn't jump. Why isn't she not launching? That is a good question. Huh. I'll look into that off camera. But at least she's chasing us. So what do we do now? So now what we want to do is we're going to have another custom event. This one's going to ask whether or not we're in range. We'll just call this range check. Ah, God. We're going to get a reference to self. Self. I'm going to say get distance to. The other actor is going to be the player character. We're going to say, give me less than or equal to. You know what? I'm going to use greater than or equal to. Why? You know what? No. Not equal. Fuck equal. Just greater than. If we're greater than, let's say 500. You know what? I'll make it, just for testing purposes, I'll make it 250. We're gonna branch it out. If it's true, if we're 250 units away, we're gonna set is seen to false. And then what we want to do is shit. What did I call this custom event? Wandering around, yeah. And we're just gonna call wander around again. Uh-huh. And on false, we chase the player. Now, there is a very real side effect here, which is what? This. What do you mean? Because this is going to be running every tick. Once we're seen, this will be running every tick because we're in the cone. So how will we negate that? Do we just want to do this once? We can, but that might present a problem in and of itself. First, let's just try seeing if this thing... Okay, so she's going to be chasing us, obviously. Hey, 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 look at me! There we go. Now she's gonna be... There's no way. No way. No fucking way. This is gonna... still gonna chase us. Why? Why is she still chasing us? It's because of the pawn sensing. Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah. Even though we're probably most likely 200 units away, the cone itself is so massive that we're just in the sight radius. Can't we just lower it? We can. Actually, you know what? Let's do exactly that. Where is... I can't see that well. I'm sorry, people. It's just I still haven't repaired my glasses. I'm still restricted to the temporary ones. I'm trying to see this. You want to try lowering everything? Yeah, I'm gonna have to because I can't see it. There we go. It's sight radius. So. Is that a? How long do we want to see? I'll just say 1500. You know what? I'll use 500. Whoa, that is a low cone. Yeah, I know, but like it'll work. So now what we can do? Hey, hey. Hey. Is she still following us? I don't know. Oh yeah, she is. What? She's still following us. Isn't this running false? You go to the event graph. Yeah, it's still running as true. Huh. Oh, wait! You don't call a range checker. No, I don't. Fuck. Oops. That's my fault. Maybe you can redo the comm? No. Oh, okay. Range checker. And now let's try this. What? Wait, what? Infinite loop detected. Okay, where? Range check. Oh, yeah. Okay. What happened? Because because the loop is infinite. Well, let's do that. What does that do? If since we're not gonna call it infinitely. So if on false, it'll just do nothing. And there, that fixes the infinite loop. Wait, why did she go back to wandering around? Dude, the sight threshold's ridiculously low. Oh, really? Yeah. So if I keep running, run, there you go. So the radius here is 250. Let's raise that up. Let's bump that up to 500. Okay. So now if we're bumped up to 5 hundo sticks, it'll take a lot longer for her to stop chasing us. See? Ah. What about the hoppies? Yeah, I'll have to fix that off camera. Woo! Oops. Do Goombas chase that long? No, they don't. No, they don't. I thought you were going to be doing the jumps. Honestly, I don't have any animations for it. I never picked them up. So, what? Will this be like an AI bit? Yeah, I mean, like, first I'll do the Goomba because it's the easiest one. I might do the Koopa Troopa, the turtle. Ah, really? Why? Well, because that actually involves two hops, so we have to have, like, something. Okay. And then, well, maybe the Racing Koopa Troopa. Because the Racing Koopa Troopa actually runs. So that means I have to show people how to plan out where to run to and all that shit. Where to run to and all that shit. So that means we have to have nav points and a path that the player has to follow. Thwomp AI. Thwomps have AI? Not really. They just go up to a point and then slam down. Wait, does this mean you're gonna have to do underwater stuff? Yeah, that means we have to do swimming. Oh shit, yeah. Either way, we have our basic Goomba down. I think I'll look into the hoppy bits, but... So does it mean you're actually going to use a different fucking character? Yeah, I'll probably throw something in from Insane Heroes. Just import, just like migrate a character or something, and then go from there. Say I have that for, stuff. But yeah. Thanks for watching the video, everybody. Thanks for listening to these tutorials. Like, comment, and subscribe, by the way. I really do appreciate the help. Yeah, I guess next week will be... Should it be Koopa Troopa or Thwomp? Or, well, there was that one AI, the flying AI that was carrying the star. Man, are you going to actually do the Hub World bit? Where you actually have the paintings? I'll have the paintings, but I don't have the effects because I'm not that good of an animator, artist type person. So, like, I'll have the level gates for you ready, but so that means they have to have a UI and stuff like that. So why don't you just focus on the UI? Let's do the AI first. Get that out of the way before we tackle UI. Okay. Alright. Do you want to leave that in the comment section? Okay. Hey, comment section. Do you want UI, AI, or do you want me to do the level gates, or like how that whole process works, or just keep focusing on AI or the triple jump? Either way, like honestly, if I don't receive an answer in the comment section, I'll just go the AI route. So which AI? Probably the Thwomp. That's probably going to be the easiest one to just knock out of the park. Okay, and there you have it, game developers. Tune in next time for Doug Teaches Ue5 Mario 64 clone. Yes.